How to change messenger notification sounds. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you step by step how you can do it, so let's get started. For that, you can open up your messenger application, open it up, and once you open up messenger, you need to log in into your messenger account. And once you are logged in from the given interface, you can look out for the menu option in the bottom right corner. Locate that up and tap on it. Now, once tapped on menu, you may select up the option of settings, which is right under your profile. Tap on it. And after your settings opens up, you may scroll down and look over to the preferences option where you should be finding an option of notification and sound. Just go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, here it will show you the notifications. So you may go ahead and scroll down, head over to notification preferences section, where you should be finding an option of a notification ringtone. So just go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, it gives you different options of option of sound. So you can look out for the sound that you would like and select it. And once that is done, it will change your notification sounds. So this is how you basically change the notification sound. Otherwise, you can even use the device's settings, head over to Messenger, long press on it, go to the info section at the top, and basically head over the notifications. And you may just go ahead and look out for any kind of option that is notification sounds in order to change the notification sound. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.